One major place that we meet unit rates is in considering unit prices. That is, the price per thing that we get. So let's see an example of the unit price in action. Let's suppose we go to the store, and at the store we see 2 boxes of rice. I see a 24-ounce box that costs $3.60 and an 18-ounce box that costs $2.88. Which one is a better buy? That is, if I were buying lots and lots of rice, would I pay less if I bought it by the big box or by the little box? In order to compare these, we want the unit price, or sometimes we'll say the price per unit. In this case, we want the price per ounce. So for the big box, we'll have $3.60 over 24 ounces equals, dividing by 24, the decimal point in our answer goes directly above the decimal point in our dividend, since we're dividing by a whole number. 24 goes into 36 one time. 24 goes into 120, I want to say 5 times. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 2 is 10. 12. Yeah. So $3.60 for 24 ounces is $0.15 per ounce. Or we could read that as 15 cents per ounce. The little box is $2.88 per 18 ounces. Doing that division, again, decimal point in my answer goes directly above the decimal point in my dividend. 18 goes into 28 one time. 18 goes into 108, I want to say 6 times. 6 times 8 is 48. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 4 is 10. Yeah. So the unit price of the little box is 16 cents per ounce. Which is a better buy then? The big box, because the unit price is lower. It's less expensive per unit if I buy the big box. How do we calculate a unit price then? Well, the first thing to be aware of when we calculate unit price is it's always money per goods, never goods per money, right? We always want to get dollars per whatever we're buying when what we're interested in is a unit price. And then we divide to find unit rate, and we report our answer as some number of dollars, the word per, and then the other unit. This number is always in the same form for unit price. We'll always want to give a unit price as a decimal, and almost always we'll want to round it to the nearest cent, that is, to the nearest hundredth. Unless we have a compelling reason to do otherwise, we're always going to round our unit price to the nearest cent. All right, so I'm going to have you work an example. Suppose apples are on sale, 4 for $1.69. Find the unit price for apples, rounded to the nearest cent. Pause the video and try this now. All right, so the rate will be $1.69 per 4 apples, which by doing division, 4 into 1.69, decimal point in our answer goes above the decimal point in the dividend. 4 goes into 16 4 times, bring down the 9. 4 goes into 9 twice. There's something left, but this is the cents place. What should I do? I should keep going one more digit so that I know which way to round. 4 goes into 10 twice. I don't care about any more of this problem. This is a number between 4.2 and 4.3. This digit is less than 5, so this is closer to 4.2. The unit price is 42 cents per apple.